When we think of aliens, we often picture creatures like us. Maybe they have green skin or extra eyes, but what if life elsewhere is totally different? What if it's not based on carbon and water like us? This is where the idea of non-organic aliens comes in. Imagine beings made of metal, rock, or even pure energy. These are not creatures with flesh and blood. They are something entirely new, something beyond our current understanding of biology. Could such beings exist? The universe is a vast and mysterious place. It's full of surprises. To think that life only exists in the way we know it might be very limiting. Perhaps on distant planets, life has evolved in ways we can only begin to imagine. What might these non-organic aliens look like? It's hard to say. They could be giant, thinking crystals or shimmering clouds of energy. Maybe they're microscopic machines working together like a giant hive mind. Without the limitations of organic bodies, their forms could be incredibly diverse. They might be shapeshifters, able to change their forms at will. Or they might exist as pure consciousness, not bound by any physical form at all. Their senses might also be completely different from ours. Instead of sight or sound, they might perceive the universe through magnetic fields or gravitational waves. Imagine the kind of art and music they might create. If non-organic beings exist, their technology might be far beyond ours. Instead of spaceships, they might travel through wormholes, bending the fabric of space-time. Their technology might be indistinguishable from magic to us. They could be masters of energy, harnessing the power of stars or even black holes. Their computers might run on quantum mechanics, capable of calculations we can only dream of. Imagine the knowledge they could possess. But with advanced technology comes responsibility. Would these beings be benevolent explorers or conquerors? Would they see us as equals or as something to be studied or even exploited? These are questions we need to consider. Contact with non-organic aliens would be a turning point in human history. It would challenge our understanding of life itself. Communication might be difficult. How do you say hello to a being made of pure energy? But imagine the possibilities for learning and understanding. They could teach us about the universe, about different dimensions, about consciousness itself. They could help us solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. Of course, there are risks too. We must approach such encounters with caution and respect, but the potential rewards of meeting our cosmic neighbors, even if they are vastly different from us, are too great to ignore. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. And who knows what incredible forms of life are out there waiting to be found.